Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare your party stew. I have here fresh tomatoes that has been blended already. I have here, this is catfish, dried one. I'm going to be using this in preparing it. I'm going to be adding it in the stew. I have here groundnut oil. Here is Maggi. Here is salt. Here is grounded pepper. There's already fresh pepper inside the tomatoes. Here is my onions. And here is my meat. So now be adding salt to season this meat. Also here I'll be adding little pepper. Also add Maggi. This is small cube. So I'll add this so that it can give my food a nice taste. So now I'm going to be cutting my onions. So now I've just finished seasoning it. I'm going to put it on the fire. Now cover the pot. I've not added water inside. I just want it to steam very well before, and it will generate its own water from the meat before I'll be adding water. Now I'll be adding little water inside the pot and cover it and allow it to steam very well. So this is just little quantity of salt. I'm not going to be pouring it. I will just take pinch, rub it on the body of the fish. And massage it very well. I'm using salt to wash this fish so that I will remove the sand and germs from it. You know what is gotten from the market, the dust and everything on it, so you have to really wash it very well. Also the second one, I'll do the same thing to it. Here you can see that the meat has generated its own water, and with the little quantity of water I added, you can see how it became. So I'll be adding the dry fish inside the pot. Stir it and allow it to steam also, so that it will have taste in the stew. Enjoy watching this video and learn how to prepare your party stew. Not only watching the video, but you should also get something in it as you're watching the video. It's time for me to bring down the meat so that I can now be preparing my stew. Now the pot is dry. I have in my groundnut oil. This is power oil, Nigerian power oil, that I'm going to be using. This is my chopped onions. You can see that the groundnut oil is hot, so I'll be putting this. And I'll now pour in my tomatoes. Your oil has to be very hot before you pour in your tomatoes, so that it will boil it very well and make the tomatoes get dried before putting anything inside the tomato. Now I'm going to allow this to continue steaming by itself. See how the face looks. It's still fresh. When it's finished steaming, you see that the tomato will become reddish and it becomes dried. So I hope you're enjoying this video. This is a very educative way of preparing your stew. If you don't know how to prepare stew, even for events, occasions, party, even at home, there are several ways you can prepare your stew. And while the stew is on the fire, you have to keep stirring your pot time to time so that the tomatoes does not get burnt. Now I'll be adding little dry pepper. Now stir the pot. You can see that the tomato is becoming dried. I did not put tin tomato here. I'm only using just the fresh tomatoes that was blended in preparing this stew, and you're going to see how delicious this stew will taste. So here I'll be adding salt, so that as it's boiling, the tomatoes on its own will have nice taste. You can see that it's dried. The next thing now will be for me to be pouring in my meat that was seasoned. It's time for me to pour in the meat. Now allow it to boil very well before coming to add Maggi and salt. I will have to test it when it's boiling to see if the already seasoned meat test was okay. If it's okay, I'm not going to be adding anything, but if it requires little pinch of salt and Maggi, I'm going to be putting. If you love this video, thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and also share my videos with your friends and families. Tap the notification bells for notification of new videos. So keep watching this video and also learn how to prepare your fresh tomato stew for party. So I'll allow it to boil very well. And now here is curry powder that I'll be adding to give the stew more flavor. The curry powder always makes your stew have nice scent. You can see that the stew is ready and so dry. I hope you found this video interesting. Don't always fail to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping my pot down from the fire now. See you guys in my next video. Bye.